So you might be in a situation where for some reason your LG TV is running into some problems. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, and you might be needing to go ahead and factory reset it, whether you're selling it or you're transferring it or whatever the case is. Now, it's a very, very easy process. The very first thing you're going to want to do is if you have the remote, it's very easy to go and reset it. Number one, you want to grab your remote and you want to press the little settings button that's on that remote control. So go through, tap onto that settings button, and then what you're going to be able to do is you want to go into your general settings inside of that page. You then want to go ahead and basically click on the system button. So tap on the system button right after that, and you want to click on that little option that says reset to initial settings. So after that, you want to enter your PIN. If you didn't have a PIN or you didn't enter it in, the default PIN is usually 0000 or 1234. Unless you changed it, that's probably what the default PIN is going to be. And then you can go through and click on that little confirm button. So click on confirm, click on yes, and then your TV will automatically restart. It will go through and erase all the applications, the accounts, Wi-Fi and settings, all that stuff, and it will return back to that initial page that you initially had when you booted it up for the first time. So it's very basic, but that's basically what you do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.